Hello, good afternoon to everyone. We are on Monday, 24th of June. We are going to make some update on Bitcoin. We already reached the first target I was talking about the last video I made. So first target was 60,000. So now we are there and everyone is maybe desperate. They don't know what to do. Some they expected this move. So what now? What is going to happen now? Well, there are some few other targets to price. Also, maybe it may reverse from here. I don't think it's the case, but it can reverse from here. It can maybe make a higher low from here. I think that is less likely to happen. But I'm going to give some targets to the downside first. So today we almost touched the 200 exponential, so almost there. That was the last, almost very close to the last low, local low, as at 56,000. That was here in May 24. So almost 1 month, and we are in the same place, touching the 200. So what now? So I think we are going down again. Maybe we are going to retest this maybe once more. If this breaks to the downside, then it's time to be a little cautious, because we will be already below the 200 daily moving average. That's an interesting indicator that price is going lower. So this can get even lower to the 52,000 level, and if this fails, can go all down to the 40,000 level, 45,000, 44,000. That is going to be also it's going to be here, even here. I don't think it's going here, it's going down here, but it's going to be, yeah, 42,000 is going to be a last line in the sand for the bulls to defend. I don't expect to go down there. I think maybe a retest of 57, even 53, 52 is going to be enough for this to start bouncing, but it's time to be very cautious, because if this breaks below the 200 daily moving averages, it's going to be a huge indicator that we are going to see lower prices. So for now, it's not that bad. It's bad, I know many are in red now. It's not that bad, but it can get very bad very fast if this breaks. I think the news is because the sale of Mt. Gox, but I was really laughing today because so many analysts said that 65,000 was the floor for Bitcoin, and from there we're going to see 100k. Well, not the case. Now they are predicting 50,000 here. It's very funny because now they say, oh yeah, 50,000. So yeah, if these monkeys say that it's going to go to 50,000, that maybe it's time to buy some. No, it's not financial advice. I'm not going to buy at this level. But market will never do what these noobs write about. So altcoins are destroyed today. Of course, if Bitcoin is bleeding, altcoins are destroyed. But there is one exception to this bloodbath of today. That is going to be this one, Tomcoin. I don't know what is in this project, honestly. I don't know what is the case, but this is still bullish. It's stupidly bullish. It's above the 50, above the 200, above the 10, and above the 20. So it's kind of bullish market for this one. I don't know why this does not have sense, because if Bitcoin is bleeding, this one should be bleeding too, but I don't know what is behind this project, but it's there. It's still bullish. Anyway, I may warn you about something. We are forming a potential head and shoulders here. Here is one shoulder, here is the head. Maybe we are forming another shoulder, so be very, very careful about this move, but until this breaks $6.73 to the downside, we are fine. We are quite fine. It's one of the it is the strongest coin at the moment now. So congratulations, the holders of this, because I don't see any dump. I don't see any damage in the structure. This is looking perfect. The rest of the coins, really nothing to say about. Be very careful with Binance, already below the 50, so it may be travel maybe quickly to the 200. No financial advice, but be very careful. Let's see. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, same thing. Almost gave up all the gains here of when the ETF news in May 24. So be very careful. I think we may be visiting the 200 soon. So in 300, sorry, $3,000. Okay, so going to be careful also. But huge project in the future. There is an ETF coming, so I'm still quite very bullish with this coin. Anyway, I won't invest now in this, but very nice coin anyway. Okay, so nothing else to talk about. I think all the other coins are pathetic charts. Not even, look at this, really pathetic charts, not even worth talking about them. So now the king and the star of the movie is Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin holds this level and reverse, then great for everyone. If not, we are going to see lower prices and very fast. So be very careful. If you put me a gun in my head, I should bet, and force me to bet, I should say that maybe 52,000 should be a good level for this to reverse if we are going to print a higher low there. But the potential higher low would be this one now. So that's why I say if we break this structure, we will see lower prices. Okay, so okay, that's all for today. I was telling you guys, be protective, be protective, be protective. I will never stop saying this. It's not time for heroes. It's for time for protecting your capital. Don't get wrecked. Don't screw it. Just wait the market to tell you when it will revert. So stay safe and have a nice day, and see you soon.